for aha Ghana TV GH, mesra like, comment, subscribing, never notification so turning on so that anytime you post video be say we will make a be
dollar no and then I won you mobile 20 billion crafting to contractors no ka na e kwan hodo a e wo Ghana ha nyina yenye na create job na expand the economy no na wasan yibie dia a finish agenda one no na sa create job ama about 70 to 80,000 work youth our Ghana ha ni nyina no wanye what is Ghana concussion dollar
Mr. Dante voter my name is a question aside jobs are a big criteria very important you know. This is access to healthcare. Was it not John Dramani Mahama Nana or position or championing primary healthcare?
Yes,
say it is about time you big decentralize your healthcare system facilities, you know, so that
yes.
You can get access to healthcare and what's a bread. Now you come into office, you need $1.7 billion sana worker to complete
your healthcare, no? Yes.
14 projects. You're starting. To me complete this our project we are across Ghana. Every district be ababenya access to healthcare. Wukuriya na ababe lanche mahama care. About healthcare. Now you need 1.7 billion to complete these facilities. Now what dog here no? In a water 4.4 billion. Would you acquire said dollar because what in opposition Ghana for say was a dollar nickel from. So you want to prove to Ghanaians say Bawumia failed in controlling the dollar, but Mahama can control the dollar. Now you do that in just 4 months. 4 months, you have pumped 4.4 billion. After 4 months, the dollar is going up again. Within that 4 months, Ghana you be to me enya. So dollar now will pump impertinent to me and reflect it. But we see hospital we are in forever and ever. Ghana you never benefited from it. Who abandon no with 1.7. Now we can 4.4. Share dollar for just 4 months.
In fact, this is clear way from causing financial loss to the state. And only it's understatement too. In fact, we know say in fact Miraho.
What it is you probably than billionaires overnight. I can confidently tell you, sir, within that 8 months, dollar and drew $1 billion.
That and do that.
I'm telling you. Now, and that's why they put in those measures. Say, bank they wouldn't dollar be crabby no be back with your man. And they took the figures. I bet near Diana, dollar overnight, TV jump, 15 as at but 10
current.
They cook these figures. That was the main reason why the US embassy was still charging 16 cedis per dollar. Even when the dollar was around 11. Because they knew it.
In fact, it's very sad. Now, what the main kakakramin for my no see. You see, Abeku, President Mahama, also a queer, all kind, no master.
And then, Mamika said, we need to force. And then, guy, a friend is school banner. Also, Tia, a friend is Instagram or AdWords. Into Tia Instagram. I'm saying 3.5. It's Instagram for $3.5. Now, the Sika motive fee, the Visa card, 56 CDs, and some coins. Into Usha by division. Not just almost 16 CDs. Instagram for almost 16 CDs per dollar. You see, I know on the Facebook page as well. So I can't over in school. On Facebook page,
Netflix for actually 15 cities.
This is the same thing.
They have the real.
How come said the international friendly agencies are still charging around 16 cities?
That is the true value of the city. American based body is still now since that
is the true value of the city.
Yes, that's the true value of the city. Yes, it's true. But I say. Na mama kakakra me fama no si na ade no o ka na bebre na o were ho mo you see akuya kan Mahama book na ya na manfo fi se bia hwe Mahama wo ho in fact wo mu ni padasani even sa wonya Mahama nua wonya na busuani a wo mu sa manfed kudita no page bi wo ho o twere o ka se bi fanadamfo bi one no school na da fre fa ne Ezra wo se Ezra no ne papa ye kuani ti o wo se Ezra no ne papa ye makan book no me say obi ankope ma first kudita obi ankope bi no onkan wo se Ezra no ne papa ye kuani na esa se ne papa ye kuani no ne ye ni bibia ne honam te sa aboa ase obi evu te se obi a ya bobu a yedi na gum na ye twetwe nwura na ori nwura. That is how I describe Nicole on Nicole school. It's no ma ayami ngoma se ene ono se obi di na tama ana so bi kasa atiana obe isi enti me say you to amuto obama president Mahama no ho omo ankasa no omo conscience ebebu omo force akopin so mefi asase we so because obi o just 4 years wonya wi a won sama won champion say Mr. to obama me biom na wudi utumi akwasha nensa enti abeku de besi Ghana no ho won almost so measure o ma confond de ahwe ni ya ebinu kwa akoto apuma awu voter region pa galam say to me do voter region de ene eno ano na Ghana asa Ghana bi eni hobium because voter region no ya sase ne nuama na the way you believe God your gods no want to me ngura ensuom abra won koji permission every akonfo nchen want to me ngura kwayem abra won to me koji permission every akonfo nchen na so matumi overpasses us ade we nyina to me ama voter river no atumi ahoro sade a ene abeku Ghana atemu dana ye kan waso bible ye de enche ye de beba because there's no way say obi abetumi survive biom se voter region galam say etumi start ewura hode a ene he eno ano no we the man from anso no bi nto aso na Mahama de odi na chi a ho ore be ho eti odi abeko bi nto aso
voter me da
se doctor anoetia Kennedy da Debbie ebin say da enti no se wono ne nkasa Kennedy na mu di natem na chi taifo di natem na se doctor nkasa na se ye nso no ye ka se ye ka ya no atuma ogidi se de ne beba ye mo mfa papa na ni mo ntwitwi fom
doctor wo we na hwene pa nkasa nkasa papa
me pa cho me ba papa no ye mo mfa na ni mo ntwitwi fom because ono oye ne ma doso ene ma doctor ye no ye ne ma akese ye nko a ede ade a doctor man no ofitina han appearance kwa who leadership e woni mu eni pasa na ye hia ne de na di party na nim si ebu contain ye koye chi ne ye ko ha ade a oh sa president kofo ye papa no me kwa ade nya me papa me nana ya nana ne ye papa no wa uti bi da se papa no wagina ba bia didi atemu da there be he is a leader. What is an another baby?
Not him, dear, Abibu on Castle Yaboa, but Obecasa, you do it. Aye, Sammy, I know Ninians are fool. When we say Nanado, Kojina baby, Eddie, dear mother. There be doctor soon did the attempt, yeah, party no. Ye hear nyansa for kwan ye de omadi animu ye pa nim difo o metna national television now me die ma atem me di nipa nyina atem ento sebe oba na wo lumba nyom na obo en gidi se Kennedy se wontie bi oba na wo o metna national television me tom ma ho tom oba ase ho now expect say ye be fa say be ye flag bearer ne di anim di friend ni chira no yonku di friend ni kwan a ehe ne ye ko ye nkwohwe amenem enti me pa atwa we no de e fa ba bi no mudi atama ye beka bi a kyero ye de ye dwoba nyina de se ye de mpaibo enkoto sere e tai doctor echi ai ewie ye mere yi mu de bia me se ba bia meduru bia asem we no ana de bia meka ewie ye mere yi mu doctor ena nyankopo ayi no so meje Ghana fo efiri Mahama enko aso nti yesere mo wadama na munyina amode mo support na taye chi ne ya pushi papa no
Ewe ye mere yimu. Ye Noah oba be pam hye no. Amaga na fo nyina ye de mirika ne akonya hintabia na mahama nsu kese na ode be se wi ase no. Ode be se Ghana na enyira mfa ye no. Ene doctor yesere mo. Enti ma mo de mo se mo nte ase no ode an mo nkwahyepo ye de ye twa ye ti kora doctor ye ne na ewu. Enti ne ye mo mate ase ye se ye no doctor no oye ni pastor nko. You see the man na nkasa sa man no that particular man no eniama sonko wo man ni ma ebe ma man ya peja enti ye mpa de papa ade Ghana enti yesere ye besere aya na ye couple platforms ne so a ye besere o de omu didi atem omu nko me aya me tai hu bebre say live no mbe so no okwa ye nka hwe ya atem didi nkwa yesere o de Kennedy nkrofo no mde omu so live
on the top bese crampo is here bese crampo no so no onya because bese for no so the almost nsa beto so almost mfa ma ho nti o hwa Ghana no sisi akoye se na current sisi aye kase concessions are under MPP government sisi a NDC fo abegini nyina aboso oman kasa mpanyimfo no na eyemu adwuma nti ubeko site one ubeko akodu no yesi panyini we minister we de yesi MP we ne site nti wo land guide na wo soja ni na akọ ho no etumi be na kita o say ubeko akwasei ebi a regional secretary ne machines ana say eyi say NPB wontimi nkwasei Mame end na me finish Ghana judiciary system no so kakra
Mate
Mame fagala say there na me wow sisi ya judiciary system akoye ade bi akoye say NDC ba o pese wo manipulate na one share kete enforced by law nipa de se ni dia ni won ma o be force na say won di ade bi so a o be ye wo hwe de o mode MPP a judge for ni a lawyer for ni from na sisi a constitution na de ya constitution ya de ato nchen yo e na sisi ye use man manual e na omodi din kwasasem o system no mu e na Jimmy Samsa before you become a speaker how many years I was on experience and sisi a omo tire say that experience no ma yi ato nchen ana. But the other can say, we of one son now for Shawansa. Now 8 years about your man, now 4 years the end and say, Baba, Molina Minya, Mamma Munina was.
Miss Medas about me as Sam Medas is no about shall buy when you would send what not so up to this time. Yami sure. Patriots.
Make a doctor the NBA.
Oh, a Patriots and my Patriots in Casa, oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss Mejoso. But you made them. Galam say Pamoa, and I say a judge for and now doctor into the Pamono, young, your 3 topic.
Mamma more than 3 years. Yes, what I shall see 3 years. I shall see 3 years as I'm a fee.
Mate.
Doctor, they say, I may add monk in the end because I'm a coordinator. Yeah, you my doctor. Now, and then we could share delegates be. Now, maybe so much say, and Chine, any essentially day, the pa. And I'm catching say, essentially there. Now, be so much, and why a young choir, a ya or they essentially any good choir. Don't say there be. Now, it's not. I didn't know essentially air the same, and now young choir, own for essentially will not go find Chine. A child say, the first essentially air the same, essentially, and just all the essentially young choir. A man can I de. Intimate na make can we say the fact so be sick and says any permit made them penny. And I make can cool, you know. The first thing I go point I don't what to someone